Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
Modern landscape design for your home, a guide to stylish gardens and pathways. Creating a modern garden requires a thoughtful approach that blends aesthetics with functionality. This guide will explore how to design captivating home gardens, manage pathways and entrances, and arrange plants along fences to harmonize with architectural styles and exterior decor. 1. Understanding modern landscape design. Modern landscape design emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and harmony with nature. The latest trends incorporate sustainable practices, using native plants and eco-friendly materials. Before diving into design, assess your garden space, consider the architectural style of your home, and visualize how your landscaping can enhance the overall appearance. 2. Designing pathways. Pathways serve as the veins of your garden, guiding visitors through various sections while providing a tactile experience. For a modern garden, choose materials wisely. Opt for materials such as concrete, gravel, or interlocking pavers. These materials create sleek, clean surfaces that complement a modern aesthetic. Plan the layout. Pathways should flow naturally from the entrance of the home, leading to key areas like seating spaces or flower beds. Use curved lines for dynamic movement or straight lines for a more structured look. Incorporate lighting. Use subtle lighting along pathways to enhance safety and create ambience at night. Solar-powered lights can be stylish yet eco-friendly, adding a warm glow to your modern garden. 3. Entrances and focal points. The entrance to your garden is a crucial aspect of its overall design. It sets the tone and invites guests to explore. Here's how to create an inviting entrance. Use bold plants. Frame the entrance with tall, sculptural plants or dramatic flowers that catch the eye. Consider using architectural plants like agave or yucca for a striking appearance. Stylish gates and fences. Modern gates should reflect simplicity and elegance. Materials like metal or wood can be combined with transparent elements such as glass or mesh to create an open feel while maintaining privacy. Artwork and features. Consider a modern sculpture or a water feature as a focal point at the entrance. This adds a unique touch and can serve as a conversation starter. 4. Arranging plants along fences. The area along your garden's fence is an often overlooked space that can significantly impact your garden's overall look. Here's how to maximize this area. Select the right plants. Use climbing plants like clematis or ivy to cover fences, adding vertical interest. Incorporate a mixture of textures and colors with shrubs and ornamental grasses. Layering strategy. Arrange plants in layers, with taller species at the back and shorter ones at the front. This not only boosts visibility but creates a lush, thriving atmosphere. Seasonal variety. To keep the garden interesting year-round, choose a mix of perennials, evergreens, and seasonal flowers. This approach can provide changing colors and textures through different seasons. 5. Harmonizing with architecture and decor. Your garden should resonate with your home's architectural style and external decor. Here are some considerations. Color palette. Select plants and materials that complement the colors of your home's exterior. For example, if your home has a neutral palette, consider using vibrant flowers to add pops of color. Architectural features. Incorporate pathways, fences, and plant arrangements that echo the lines and shapes of your home. For modern homes with angular designs, sharp geometric plant beds can enhance the overall aesthetic. Outdoor living spaces. Consider outdoor seating areas as an extension of your home.